Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova 11 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer or search for the Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app, you've got access to your images, videos, documents, audio, apps and archives. Also, you can go to internal storage, network neighborhood, recently deleted, downloads, Instagram and recorder. Then you can go to recents and me. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.